So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that came in my FabFitFun spring box for 2021. So first of all, let's talk about the box. And they have slightly changed the boxes, so you will notice that they are different. I keep all the boxes and then I reuse them for storage. They also double up great because this one's quite big. You can see it's covered in all of these gorgeous daisies. It's so pretty. It's so spring appropriate. But these double up as a really great little like manicure table. So whenever I paint Lily's nails, I always like we each sit on the floor like cross-legged, and then she puts her hands on it, and it's like seriously the best little manicure table. So if you do your nails at home, that's great, and you can keep all your nail stuff in there. Basically, if you're new to FabFitFun, they are a seasonal box. So every single season, so spring, summer, fall, winter, they come out and they are basically just a lifestyle, beauty, fashion sometimes. Like they have all sorts of different items that come in the box. I do have a coupon code. It is SAM10. That's going to save you $10 off your first box. And the FabFitFun boxes are available in the US, Canada, and the UK. One item alone will pay for the entire box. So it's such a good value. You get so many items that you would maybe not have heard of or that you haven't tried out yet. And you get them delivered directly to your door every season. So it's super duper convenient. And I have been doing unboxings with FabFitFun for super long time. So you can go back and look at all of my different ones. I'll link them in the description box for you guys. What I love is that they feature a lot of female owned brands, which is really nice. They always have a charity partner, which is really lovely as well. They give you a bunch of different options to add to your box, which I'll kind of show you in a minute. You're able to change some of them. So some of them are already curated like by the stylist, but then some of them you have the options to switch out a few different items. So it's really cool that you can kind of custom make the box your own, which I love because they have added a few more like home decor pieces. So that's what I added into my box this month, and they are so cute. They've also switched out to 100% recycled craft materials, so that's why you'll notice that the boxes do look slightly different. They're trying to lower their carbon footprint, which I think is really nice and very conscious of them, so that's awesome. So I'm just gonna pull up some of the products that you can see, and hopefully you guys are gonna be able to see this. I tried to add this to my video, but it wouldn't let me. So there's some of the items that you can get in the box, and then here is some more, and then more. They have so many different options. And these. So I'm just gonna list off the things that I got in my box, and then I'm actually gonna show you guys how I've been using them, because I already got this box and I kind of started styling everything already. So the first item I got was the Jenny Kane water hyacinth tray with cutout handles. This retails for $45. Second thing I got was a hand scrub. So that one was the Human and Kind hand scrub with elderflower and raspberry. It says, take extra care of your hands with this scrub that gently removes dead skin cells while leaving the hands oh so soft. That retails for $15. I also got the Say reusable beauty rounds in a 3-pack. This says, ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. Those retail for $15 as well. I also got the little holder that I've been holding my oils in. Where's that? Here we go. So this is the Sorbus makeup organizer. It says, keep your lipsticks, concealers, and makeup brushes in one place thanks to this organizer, and that's $30. And then I also got some super cute little coasters. And again, I'm gonna be showing you guys all of this stuff, but I just wanna tell you the prices right now. So this is the Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters. It says, place your drinks and cocktails on these seagrass coasters with white cotton stitching. And those retail for $35. I also got the MAC lipsticks. This is a duo, and you get the color, it's a Powder Kiss lipstick duo for $42, and you get the color Reverence and then Work. So one is red, one is like a really pretty nude, kind of pinky. I have it on today. And then we also got the, what is this? This is the Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. This is $28. It says, apply this antioxidant rich oil to your face and body for a radiant summer. Or I'm sorry, a radiant shimmer, not a summer. And then last but not least, I got the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup. This says, take your liquids to go with this reusable cactus shaped cup. And this is $20. retail. So you can see there's a lot of items in there that work out to be quite a high value. It was such a good deal, and this time I wanted to just show you guys how I've kind of like incorporated them into my decor, or kind of just like how I like where I put them, and kind of testing them out, giving you swatches, putting it on my skin. So in the next clip you're going to see me showing you guys how I've styled some of these items and just kind of testing out the other ones. But I hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to use that coupon code. It's SAM10. It's going to save you $10 off your first box. If you haven't signed up for FabFitFun, you are missing out. It's literally the best box out of all the subscription services. It's the best. It's just so good, and I highly recommend it. And again, I will link all of the items down below, or all of the other videos I've done for the other unboxings. But I will also link down the link to FabFitFun so you guys can sign up. I'll put the coupon code down there as well, so that you guys can save that $10 off if you haven't signed up already. And definitely customize. If you guys decide to get it, customize. You can pick all the different items that you want that suits your taste. And then of course, don't forget to recycle or reuse this box, whether you use it for a little manicure table like I do with Lily, or you want to just use it for, like, you know, purse storage or hat storage or photo album, I don't know, whatever it is that you need to store. You can just stack them up in the closet, and they're just such great storage. Oh, now my brother is calling. But yes, let's go ahead and get started, and you can see everything that I got in my box, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is the first item that I actually have that came in my FabFitFun box for spring. This is super cute. It's this really cute little basket, and it actually stores quite a lot. It's like a really nice little circle, like circle shape, and I just keep all of my like everyday bits and bobs in here. So the very first things are actually something that came in the FabFitFun box as well. These are by Say. It's like Say as in say hello, and the website is called sayhello.com. And these are just like reusable little like makeup removing rounds. They're really, really soft. Let me get in close so you guys can see. But yeah, they're really nice. They feel really, really soft. So those are lovely, and then you can just like wash them and reuse them over and over again. This I actually got in my FabFitFun box as well. This is the Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience Moisturizing Hand Scrub, Elderflower and Raspberry. You guys, this smells so good. So I just use this right next to my, I just keep it right next to my hand soap, and it's so nice. I actually have one in the kitchen as well. When your hands are feeling like a little bit dry, like we live in a dry climate, so my hands can sometimes look a bit like flaky and gross. So that's really nice because it smells delicious, and then it kind of just exfoliates and gets all the dry bits off of your hands, and it makes them feel so soft. And then these little coasters actually came in my FabFitFun box as well. They're really cute. They're very like woven and natural looking. So there was 4 altogether. So one of them looks like that. And then that one, oh, that was upside down. That one is the same as the first one, so I have those like matching. And then I have another one up here to keep my little remote control for my diffuser. And then this little storage container also came in my FabFitFun box. This one's really awesome actually for storing oils if you do like oils. I think it's more of like a lipstick, maybe like a lipstick skincare. I suppose it could be really for anything you want, but it does work really well for oils. And then in the front here, they have the little tiny holders, which is really great for lipstick if you wanted to use it for that. These 2 lipsticks actually came in my FabFitFun box as well. So this one is called, what is it called? Work, Work, Work. Isn't that so pretty? It's like the most beautiful red, so I'll have to try that out. It's like a really nice deep red. So that one is Work, Work, Work. And then this color is called Reverence. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love this color. So yeah, it's just this like really pretty light pink. Kind of like a well, no, it's kind of more of a nude pink. It's really gorgeous. I love it. It's a little bit darker than I normally go for, but when you put it on, like when I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's gonna be too dark. But then when I put it on, it was actually really beautiful. So highly recommend that color, Reverence. It's super pretty. And those come as a duo. So you get the Reverence with the Work, Work, Work. So it's good to have a nice nude and then also a red color. Here is the swatches of the Reverence and the Work, Work, Work. So obviously Work, Work, Work is above, Reverence is below. It's just a really nice kind of nude pinky color. It's not too pink, it's not too peach. It's like a really nice, just everyday nude lip color. And then the red is really nice. It's got a nice blue undertone to where it's not going to make your teeth look yellow. And they have a nice kind of semi-shiny. It's a powder matte, so it's not super duper glossy, but it's also like not super matte either. This is called the Pure or Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. Look at those little shimmers in there. Just look at the glitter. It's so, so beautiful. So this one is a really nice oil. Here, I'll just demonstrate it for you guys. Look at that beaut. You guys see it? Look at that. I'll just rub it in for you guys. And then that is what it looks like on the skin. So it gives you the most gorgeous sheen, but then you have little tiny gold flecks of sparkle. It's super pretty. It's not really showing very, oh, there we go. That's a better light. Do you guys see the little flecks of sparkle? So imagine like in the summer when you're tan and you're going to the beach or you're going out, you know, to a nice restaurant to eat or whatever. You just have this gorgeous glow. Oh, it's so pretty. This actually is very cute. It came in my FabFitFun box as well. This is a little water bottle. I actually use it to fill up my diffuser because it's cute, and then I can just refill up with water and then pour it into my diffuser so that I don't have to, you know, drag my diffuser over. So it's quite good if you want to use it to drink with. You could do that too, but it's actually just kind of cute to use as that as well. So whatever you want to use it for, but that's what I use mine for. I would have to say, out of everything that came in the FabFitFun spring box, I would say I absolutely love this. This is amazing. It's like, oh, it's just so gorgeous. It would look pretty in a kitchen, in a bedroom. Like, there's so many places you could put this, maybe on your nightstand, but I think it's great for the bathroom. Love this for storing my oils. It's really, really handy. I just think it's just so convenient. Kind of makes it nice that it's tiered, so I like that one a lot. And then also these are really cute too. So yeah, I would add those as well because these little coasters are the cutest. There is my FabFitFun Spring 2021. I am suffering from the worst headache ever right now. I just put some peppermint and lavender on my temples. I am dying. I literally feel like I just want to go crawl into bed. It is so bad. So, Phoenix was massaging my head with my hood on so that it didn't ruin my hair, but it's really, it's pretty much, it's one of those days anyways, it doesn't really matter, but oh, I am just struggling. I was okay this morning and then I started feeling a headache coming, and now it's just like so intense that like when I look in the light, it hurts. Like, and I'm trying to edit this video and I probably shouldn't be, but I need to get this video done for you guys. So also I smeared my lipstick on my hand. I'm just dying right now. Like, I feel, seriously, this is the worst headache ever. So I'm gonna go. I hope you guys all have a wonderful Monday. Hopefully you don't have a headache either. I don't know what's happening. I had a decaf coffee on, what day was that? Saturday? And I've had a slight headache ever since. I swear, it's like you get decaf, there's still a tiny bit of caffeine. I'm so sensitive to caffeine. And then I had a decaf cup of tea yesterday, and I don't know if that's what's going on, but oh, so in pain right now. So my little babies have been looking after me, getting me water, and Phoenix has been massaging me with the rolling pin and all this stuff. But yeah, it's not a good day today for me. So I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this video. I really appreciate it. But don't forget to use that coupon code, save yourself $10 off your first box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Wish me luck. Please let this headache go away.